This isn't a house, it's a yacht. A $500 million yacht. This is the Azam yacht, one of the biggest yachts ever built. It's nearly 600 feet long, which means this thing is basically a floating mansion. You've got multiple decks, luxury suites, private lounges, everything designed like a five-star hotel on water. And it's not just big, it's fast. Over 30 knots, which is crazy for something this size. Everything on this yacht is custom, from the materials, to the design, to the insane level of privacy. But here's the crazy part. It can cost millions every year just to maintain it, like every single year. So if you had unlimited money, are you actually buying something like this? Or is it just too much? Tell us in the comments.